In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Beehiiv subscription error quickly and correctly, so you can get signed up without wasting time or missing important confirmation steps. Whether the issue is caused by a page loading problem, a bad email entry, a browser conflict, or a missing confirmation message, this step-by-step guide will help you troubleshoot it from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, refresh the sign-up page. Sometimes the form simply didn't load properly the first time, and a quick refresh is enough to clear that temporary issue. After that, check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, the Beehiiv sign-up form may fail to submit, so make sure you are connected to a strong and reliable network. Next, enter a valid email address. Double-check that you are using an email inbox you actually have access to, because a typo or invalid address will prevent the subscription from going through. Also, make sure there are no typing mistakes in the email. This is one of the most common causes of sign-up errors, so carefully review every character, including dots, symbols, and spelling. Once you've confirmed the email is correct, try subscribing again. Sometimes the first attempt fails for a temporary reason, and a second try will work perfectly. After that, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Beehiiv often sends a verification or confirmation message before the subscription is fully completed, so this is an important step. If you don't see anything in your main inbox, check your spam or promotions folder. Confirmation emails can sometimes get filtered out automatically, especially if your email provider is strict about marketing messages. If Beehiiv uses a double opt-in process, complete the confirmation if required. That means you'll need to open the email and click the confirmation link before the subscription becomes active. If you still run into problems, try using a different email address. This can help if the original address has already been used, is blocked, or is not receiving messages correctly. Now let's move into browser troubleshooting. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, because they can interfere with Beehiiv's sign-up form and stop it from working properly. Next, open the sign-up page in Incognito mode. This gives you a cleaner browsing session with fewer saved settings and fewer extension conflicts, which makes it easier to test whether the issue is browser-related. If that still doesn't solve it, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes cause sign-up forms to glitch or fail to submit, so a fresh browser state can fix the problem fast. Finally, try a different browser. If the sign-up works in another browser, then the issue is likely tied to your original browser settings, extensions, or cached data, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most Beehiiv subscription errors and complete the sign-up successfully. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Beehiiv issue.